what they say. It's not me, it's you. Uh, I know it's me. It's definitely me. Cause I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. You couldn't possibly do it if you were in. I mean, if I was in your shoes, I could not possibly love me. So I get it. I empathize. I empathize. So anyway, so much drama has been going on. I'm never gonna dance again. Pink. Oh look, it's my favorite color, pink. But also, she's amazing. So she wins. She double wins. She makes great music. I love the color pink. Everybody wins. Not a lot of those happen today in the world today that we live in. Not a lot of those things happen. Anyway, I'm going to turn it down just a little bit because I don't want to be copyrighted infringing, even though I always try to give credit where credit is due. Doodly doodly doodly. Doodly doodly doobly. With googly eyes as a local Google guide from Irvine, California. I tried my best. I guess this was one of her latest songs because I've never heard this one before. I like it. I like it. So what's going on with all the drama in the world? Well, companies make business decisions. So if they made certain decisions, they have decided based on potential earnings, right? What's going on. And so Apple has decided to kill off the iPhone mini. That is a horrible tragedy in my opinion because I love the mini series. In fact, I've gone out of my way to purchase pretty much every mini that was ever made, starting with the iPhone 5 mini, the iPhone 5 SE, and then the mini. Actually, I don't have the mini 12. I would love to have the mini 12. It's got the mini 12 and you want to get rid of it. Is it burning a hole in your pockets and you just want to get rid of it? Send it my way. I would love to own an iPhone 12 mini. iPhone 12 mini, yeah. I am hoping that iPhone makes the iPhone mini 15 that Tim, my favorite chef, my favorite